Bingo Cash tournament results can stay on. Results pending, while other players are still finishing their games, so a stuck bracket does not always mean the app is broken. By the end you'll know whether your tournament is actually stuck, what you can check immediately, and when Bingo Cash support needs to handle it. First, look at the exact message on the tournament screen. If it says, results pending, Bingo Cash says the tournament has not closed yet because some players may still be playing. The leaderboard only becomes final after enough players have joined and completed their games. That means there is no manual button you need to press to finalize the bracket. Wait for the tournament to close and check again. Bingo Cash says, completion time can vary depending on the number of participants, so there is no single guaranteed wait time for every tournament. If your screen is genuinely frozen instead of showing results pending, check whether you are running the latest version of Bingo Cash. The company recommends keeping the game updated because updates include improvements and new features. Bingo Cash also says updating the app does not remove your account, progress, or balance. After updating, completely close Bingo Cash and open it again. Then return to the tournament and check whether the leaderboard has refreshed. If the tournament still shows incorrect information, take a screenshot before changing anything else. Bingo Cash specifically asks players reporting tournament problems to include a screenshot of the leaderboard results with the GIN tournament ID clearly visible. That tournament ID is useful because support can identify the specific tournament instead of trying to diagnose the problem from a general description. There is also a difference between a delayed tournament result and an account login problem. If you were signed out, use the Walk Account menu, choose Sign In under existing user. Enter the phone number registered with your Bingo Cash account, and use the SMS verification code to log back in. Do not create a new account just because the tournament bracket is stuck. Use your existing account so your saved progress and balance remain associated with the correct profile. So the 3 things to remember are simple. Results pending can be normal. Updating Bingo Cash can resolve app-side problems. And tournament issues should be reported with the tournament ID and leaderboard screenshot. Your next step is to open the tournament, check the exact status message, and save a screenshot if the bracket still looks wrong. If this fixed your Bingo Cash tournament problem, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.